How to remove emojis from iPhone keyboard. So if you discover that the emoji on your iPhone keyboard is kind of disturbing and now you want to remove it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So these are the emoji on my iPhone keyboard, and you may choose to remove this or let it be. This iPhone keyboard emojis appears each time you pop your iPhone keyboard, whether you're using iMessage or you're using other chatting application including Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove emojis from iPhone keyboard, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on general. Once you click on general, scroll down the page until you get to keyboard, then click on that. Now, while on the keyboard settings page, locate and click on keyboards. Here, you should see emoji on your keyboard, and if you have emoji here, that implies that you already added the emoji keyboard to your iPhone. Now, to remove it, all you just need to do is go ahead, swipe left, or click on edit at top right, and then remove the emoji keyboard. Then you should see delete. Go ahead and click on delete. Then once you delete that, go ahead and click on done at top right again. Now you can now close the settings page and then return back to the messaging app. Then on the messaging app, you see that the emoji keyboard is no longer available. You see that? So you no longer have feature for the emoji keyboard. So that is basically how to remove emojis from iPhone keyboard. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.